Welcome to Triple F Sessions with your War Chef. For many years on YouTube, I've been teaching you how to cook fresh food and enjoy great food at home. But now, with the Triple F, food, fun and fitness. Food, anyway, we've been cooking all the time, but I'm going to teach you food that is very nutritious and that will also help you lose weight. There's so many doctors and nutritionists who talk about good health and weight loss and how to be fit. All of them say one thing, it is all about good food. And who can do it better than you and me? Today, no philosophies, but I'm going to show you my first meal where I use at least 10 variety of vegetables and we make an omelette, which I'm going to flavor it, which everybody will enjoy. The key thing is without a drop of oil. How? Let's watch it. Every day morning I take a walk in my garden and pick up vegetables. Today I've got like 12-13 vegetables and usually I make sure that there is one root vegetable, one leafy vegetable at least, and a lot of other things including onion, tomato, I've got cucumber, I've got brinjal, okra, cauliflower, broccoli and so on. So put all the vegetables in a pan. It doesn't matter what vegetables you use, but make sure at least it's 1.5 cup of chopped vegetables. Even more is better. Along with these vegetables, I've got brinjal, which I have some water. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Put the lid on and let it steam for 1.5 minutes. That's it. While these vegetables steam, let's crack open 2 eggs. Whisk them. Vegetables should have a bite, so do not overcook them. That's why 1.5 minutes. They're all chopped vegetables. Once, just make sure you mix all the vegetables. Find your favorite spice. It could be rasam powder, it could be sambar powder, it could be chana masala. What is your favorite spice? Take a little bit of it, just sprinkle on top of these vegetables. The vegetables are seasoned with salt and a little bit of spice. Now, take your eggs. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, and pour this egg on top. I make a very special moringa gunpowder. This is really potent. I add at least 20 ingredients to make this gunpowder and also at least 3-4 variety of greens, which I'm going to show you later. So this is another awesome flavoring. Put the lid on and that's it. Your super nutritious, more than 10 variety vegetables omelette without a drop of oil will be ready. In less than 2.5 minutes, your omelette is ready. So now this may slightly break. So what usually I do is, I take the plate and make it upside down and you have the awesome mixed vegetables. If there is any mixed vegetables here, because there is not a drop of oil, use a non-stick pan. You have this 10 variety vegetables. I've also used gongura, that is sour grains. It gives a kind of nice taste to the omelette. And look at it, without a drop of oil, 10 variety vegetables omelette. Okay. With this, usually I have papaya. If not banana, guava is my favorite. Now mangoes are in season. So this is my first meal. And do you know how many calories this is? Less than 400 calories. For the first meal, if you have 400 calories, the next meal you can have up to 800 calories. Then you have another 200-300 calories of nuts, dry fruits, whatever snack kind of things you want to eat. But nothing fried. Today I do not want to go on the philosophy part, but I want to show you what is my favorite first meal. I'm not even saying it's breakfast. My favorite first meal. Usually I eat this around 9:30, 10 o'clock and my next meal around 2:30 or so, and evening I just have some fruits or some dry fruits, some nuts or anything like that. Friends, we'll get into the philosophy later, but too much knowledge is not required to be healthy. Basic things you need, that is what you will learn from me. So look at it, let's enjoy. And this is moringa gunpowder. I usually put it on top of my yogurt and I eat. Look at it, the amount of gunpowder. Because we did not add a drop of oil, while eating, the yogurt helps for easy eating. So, wow, what a yogurt, fresh from my cow's milk. And wow, look at this, 10 variety vegetables. Your favorite masala, and this breakfast will be rocking. Pass this message on to your friends that Vashef is getting on with Triple F. Once again, not Triple X, Triple F, where it is all about food, fun, and fitness. Every meal we have has to be wow. Wow, super.